Hello everyone, and welcome to my Left 4 Dead 2 or Left 4 Dead No Mercy campaign. I am on the second stage, which is the subway, and as you can see, we're mostly in good health, and we're all here. So that's good. And I'm just smoking. And I like to read little sayings on the walls. None of you will survive.
Let's go.
Well, I'll come back to that. Maybe. Probably not. But then, probably not. Okie dokie. Let's see. Bunch of zombies. And as I said in my first video, if you've never played Left 4 Dead 1 or 2, you should really play it. It's for the Xbox 360 and the PC. I got mine off Steam, and I'm not sure if it's for PlayStation consoles, but if it is, if it is, just put it in the comments, and that'll be a good thing to know. I don't have a PS3 or anything, so that's really good to know. Alright. I like how they just put so much detail in the atmosphere. I mean, look at all these bodies, all that blood, and ooh, I can check it. And just all the detail in the maps. I love it. If you never played any Valve games, they do an amazing job. They made Team Fortress 2, Portal, Left 4 Dead 2, Half-Life. It is a really good company to play games. And I'm pretty sure they own Steam, and that's a place where you can get all kinds of games. Like I got this game off Steam, and I got Boat Simulator and Gary's Mod, and all kinds of good things. And they're cheap too. You can go play cards at your like little SIM cards to get games at your local GameStop or that's the place really know. Arc. I'm a constant reloader if you see me reload. I'm sorry, my keyboard's messing up. There we go. Oh, and on the 360 version, the this Left 4 Dead 1 doesn't have melee weapons or updated guns. They just have no melee weapons or old type looking guns. And but for the PC on Steam, it gives you everything. It gives you melees and better looking guns. I think they started doing that on the sacrifice level, which I'll do that later. But they started putting melee weapons in and better looking guns. No, sacrifice. Which if you haven't seen the sacrifice map, it's really interesting. Just look it up. I'll be doing it soon, so you can if you want to. Here we go. Gate. There we go. There we go. Yes. Oh, and gas cans. They can be used for if you shoot them, they'll oh, that's a spitter. I know you know that. And see exactly what she's called. She spits acid at people, which is no good. But alright, so alright. Oh, and gas cans in crap tank. There you go, you go and do it again. Oh, don't leave me alone! Okay, we got him. Good. That big guy was a tank. He is, I don't think he's very hard to kill if you have, like, everybody shooting at him. But, when just, like, one or two people, yeah, he's pretty hard to kill. Oh. And, you can heal your other friends. Oh. Well, I was gonna heal Bill, but apparently he's already healed. And, this is a Molotov cocktail. It is, one of your throwable weapons. The other one is a pipe bomb. And then there's a... Alright. There's a pistol you can get without a melee weapon. But, I'd rather have a melee weapon, especially when a horde comes, because you can just, plow through them, and that's the easiest way to get through a horde, is with a melee weapon. This is a med kit. It's the best way of healing. And you have a flashlight on pretty much everything. So you never have to, oh god, boomer! You never have to, worry about being in the dark. And then, there's pain pills, which, you know, I'll get up and fight through. Pain pills, and, no! That's a smoker. You can get your smokes out whenever you shoot them. And, here's a nightstick. It's another than a melee weapon. I'll keep it in my ass. But anyway, the pain pills, it, get your health up, just a little, as you can see down there. And then there's also adrenaline shots, which, heal you up just a little, and then, make you go faster. So it's like a boost. Come on, guys. I am not good. Okay, Hunter. Okay. On cars, if you shoot him, what do you do? Yeah. Good thing we're at a safe house. Come on, guys. Let's get in. Thank you. I have to say, either Francis or Zoe is my favorite character. And, as you can see, it has, like, little tips at the bottom and who did what in the middle, and it says what stage is up next. Made that clear in my last video. Alrighty. This is where I'm going to stop for this video. Thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.